Welcome to Aninuan Beach, a beautiful destination located in Puerto Galera, in the Philippines. In contrast to the other beaches around the area, Aninuan Beach offers a much more relaxed vibe. Surrounded by green mountains and crystal clear waters, filled with corals and fish, as well as being just a 10-minute walk away from the teeming nightlife of White Beach, this is a perfect location for a weekend getaway. Puerto Galera offers amongst the cleanest water in the Philippines, and its waters also houses one of the most diverse marine life in the world. All you need to experience the incredible marine life at Aninuan Beach is your snorkel and mask. Or if you are more adventurous, talk to the dive center in the nearby resort, Sunset at Aninuan Beach, and they will offer you a guided dive at the local reef or more. So take a walk down the beach and swim out to the local reef. Experience the colorful corals, the clownfishes, and starfish. You'll never forget it. Once you've been swimming in the salty waters, head back up to the beach where the freshwater stream from Aninuan Falls runs out into the sea, and let the cool, fresh water rinse all the salt off you before you head over to the resort for a good meal. We stayed at the resort called Sunset at Aninuan Beach, and we couldn't think of a better place to enjoy this area. The resort has good standards, spacious rooms, the staff is amazing, and so is the food. If there is anything you need, less at the front desk and the staff is there for you. And if you decide to explore the waters of Puerto Galera, Ola at the dive center is very knowledgeable and excited to show you what the sea can offer. Best experience in the Philippines so far. If you want to learn more about the area, the resort, and how to get there, see the description of the video below. Subscribe and comment to join us on our next adventure. Thank you.